Hi, my name is Mark Jeeves. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for ColorLogic. And the purpose of this video is to give you an overview about our S.M.A.R.T Center program and its membership and what it provides you as a client. We have this request from several of our dealers around the world and also recently from some of our new clients. So again, my goal here is to go it over with you about what is the S.M.A.R.T Center program and to give you an idea of the benefits it provides. And by doing that, I'm going to go here and show you the S.M.A.R.T Center. So this is what it looks like when you log in. By the way, during COVID, we took the S.M.A.R.T Center and we redesigned it. So now if you look over here at all these different icons, you'll see that it's very simple, easy to navigate. So what is the S.M.A.R.T Center? A lot of people say to us, oh, that's your maintenance program. Well, no, it's not just our maintenance program. What the S.M.A.R.T Center is really a combination of all the things we've learned from our clients over the last 12 years about what they need to be successful in print embellishment. So what does it stand for? Obviously, S, software. M is marketing. A is for artwork library. R is for our resources that we provide, and T is for training. So let's break them down individually. Software. Yes, we make changes, and since we are plugins and palettes for Adobe, they make changes, in fact, every year. So we have to write new installers for Adobe every year. Over 200 plus installers for all the different combinations we have to support. Keep in mind, 70% of our business right now is outside the United States. So we have to do it for multiple languages, and we also have to do it on the Windows and the Macintosh platform. And another issue with us a couple of years ago is obviously Macintosh is going from 32-bit to 64-bit. So we actually had to redo all of our software for that platform. We also go back to CS6. In addition to software that you might use today, you might need additional copies of our software. So if you're part of our S.M.A.R.T Center membership, you actually can buy more design suites, more of our FX viewer. You can buy our pattern effects. And I'm going to discuss those a little bit more because pattern effects are great for helping you create multiple designs. It gives you about 30,000 embellishments with each of the volumes, and there's 5. Also, we just announced that in 2021, we'll be releasing our new gold palette, and that's taking silver ink or substrate and producing 30 more gold colors for either silver ink or metallic substrate, in addition to the 25 gold and bronzes we already offer. So that's 55 of our 285 colors that we offer. So it's not only about our software that you might be using today, but it's also for the future that you might need for expanding either internally or externally with your clients. Let's go a little bit about marketing here, by the way. By the way, if you look down here, that's installers, and that's where they're located, and that's where it is. But we also have our sales and marketing area. And with that sales and marketing, what we've done is we've put together PowerPoints and videos and other papers to help your team be educated on what is embellishment, the value of embellishment. And more importantly, you might want to use those tools by your sales team to go to the outside agencies or design firms or corporate clients. So it's all about marketing. And today, that is sales. It's no longer about making sales calls. It's about consultative selling, and that's what we try to provide in the marketing area. Artwork. I got to tell you, this is one that we're very proud of, our artwork library. We have found that most customers, whether they're our biggest or smallest, have limited resources and very limited time to create their own marketing files. So what we've been doing over the years is we now have over 100 press-ready marketing files. We have in all different combinations for flexible pack. We have envelopes, we have greeting cards, we have brochures, magazines, you name it. Also, a lot of people are trying to get into packaging. So we're addressing that with our customers by providing them press-ready files. And those files are ready for silver ink plus CMYK, or they're ready for white ink plus CMYK. And several of them are based on having campaigns. So it's not just direct mail, could be countersigns, could be packaging, labels, etc. It's a whole combination. So that is our artwork library. Resources, I can just tell you that we continue to come up with tips and tricks. So it's other things that we can do to assist our clients. It's also who are the substrate manufacturers? What are the coating companies? What information you might need? The RIP vendors that we work with. So that's a resource area that you can go to so you don't have to do all that yourself. So we provide a lot of resources that are beyond what I'm going to talk about next, which is our training. We're very pleased of what we do with our training and our videos that we do in that area. And we have a great user manual. By the way, unfortunately, nobody reads it. So what we've done is we actually have a lot of tutorials that we provide to you. And rather than just being these vague tools, they're very specific. They're 4 or 5 minutes. So when you want to do something, we have the right video for you to watch versus having to watch a lengthy video. However, during COVID-19, we did put together a masterclass tutorial for Illustrator because a lot of our clients use that for vector color and embellishment. So that is another feature that we've added is those videos. And we also, like I said, in the resource, we have tips and tricks. So we have over 20 videos right now in that area. So there we have it, software, marketing, we have artwork, we have the resources and the training. And by the way, think about just the artwork itself. We have over 100 press-ready files. What is your internal cost or what is your external cost if you had to have somebody just create 2 or 3 files for you? That would justify our $500 or 500 euro price of the S.M.A.R.T Center, or it's around 525 US dollars. So we are in both markets, so we have to put those prices out there to you. But it's very cost effective, the payback. The other thing we did is we have those pattern effects I talked to you about. So what we've done now is with everybody who renews their S.M.A.R.T program, we provide them with one single seat of our pattern effects, 30,000 embellishments. The price of this is 250 US dollars, about 225 euros right this time. Again, so you think about that. The artwork files, the pattern effects, that almost covers, again, the cost of our S.M.A.R.T Center program. Last and least, most software companies charge you about 10 to 15% of the value of their system every year. We charge $525, roughly 500 euros, and that's what we've been doing for 12 years. We have not had a price increase in 12 years because it's our give back to our clients. And without you, our clients, we wouldn't be where we're at. And it's also our give back to the industry because everyone needs these marketing files. Everybody needs our software and our belief, obviously, but everybody needs the training. So again, if you were going to buy one of our Premium Plus license, keep in mind that S.M.A.R.T program not only covers you, but it also covers those 10 external licenses that you have out for your clients, agencies or corporate clients outside the firm. Again, my name is Mark Jeeves. I'll be happy to talk to you about our S.M.A.R.T program in any fashion you'd like. I want to thank you for being our client. And if we can be of any assistance, please let us know. Thank you.